Hey guys, Ken Salvail here today, just introducing a quick little snippet from the trip out to the Northwest Flower and Garden Show down in Seattle this spring. Putting together a few little videos, and hope you're going to enjoy that. Remember to check at the end of the video for a little slideshow there, some pictures of some of the displays there. So check that out. Hope you enjoy, and hope you're having a fabulous spring. I'm out in the garden now doing some cleanup and getting things ready to go, so it's going to be a nice spring for sure, and thanks again for all your support.
Okay, here's walking down through the plant section, and all sorts of different vendors here with plants that from orchids to bonsai to bromeliads to dahlias to lilies, and just you name it, all sorts of plants, and lots of folks too, lots of people. And here we come. We've got some big stone arches here that are kind of cool. Just amazing. Here's the antique section of the show, where all they have the antique pots and tools and clothing, lots of antiques. So here we are in the middle of the landscape displays, just a portion of the area. And we are just scanning around the different landscape displays. Lots of big trees, big rocks. Lots going on. Okay, here's just one of the displays at the show. It's a little greenhouse display, and it's one of the landscape displays. So we're coming through all the different lots of bromeliads and things going on in this little greenhouse.
Wow.
Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's okay.
Pardon me.